Hello everyone, Unicorn Lady Tech here with some unboxings. I have two here. So let's start with the top one. Let me get rid of the bottom one first. Okay. This is from a Resilient Dad's first live video he did for the community. I've had it a while, but I'm just now getting to open it up. So let's open it and see what's in it. It's a book about nutrition. Nutrient Survival is what I won off of his live. Let's open it up. I believe this bag is waterproof. And what I was checking out. Okay. Hearty oatmeal, cinnamon oatmeal. Hearty apple cinnamon oatmeal. There's 5 packs in here. Let's see what else we got. This is a Southwestern medley, 3-bean with bell peppers, rice, paprika, jalapeno. Well, not too much of a fan on the jalapeno, but I can do it. 5 bags in here as well. Five bags of a creamy chocolate shake. Five bags in here as well of a chocolate grain crunch. Wow. And 5 bags of triple cheese mac. Pasta is my all-time favorite, so this should go over well. Anything else in here? Just a card. Instructions for sealing the dry bag. Okay. Yeah, so there's a waterproof storage bag. Okay, put that back in there. Wow, that is a lot for just winning questions on a live video from a Resilient Dad. Okay, I think I should be eating quite well. One moment while I switch it out to the other box. Resilient Dad, thank you so much for allowing me to win these winnings. And these winnings actually came from Vision Preparedness. But it was done on a Resilient Dad video. Stay tuned. Now this is another winnings from, I believe it was one of our late night chats with Mona and Felicia. Sifting some soil and F.R. Humphrey. We were chatting and chatting and chatting the night away, and then all of a sudden Mona says, I think I'm going to give away something. And I won. So let's see what's in this box. Oh yes, the 72 sale seed starting kit. $72 sales. It's long. Am I going to have to find 72 things to put in this thing? I will certainly try. What else is in here? Oh, the pellets that mix the soil to put the seeds in. Just add water. And some seeds. Bean bush. Bean golden wax. Another bean bush. Peas. Marigolds. Beets. A Salmonzano tomato. And jalapeno peppers. I guess they're following me around, so I'm going to have to try to work those into my diet. And that's it. That is a lot. Just for staying up late with Mona and Felicia. There you have it, folks. I don't know if I'll get these in this season, but I do want to plant some more kale. And there's something else I want to put out there. Oh, more Swiss chard. That's it, folks. Okay. Thank you, Mona. And thank you, Resilient Dad. I'll try to keep my winnings going because it's always fun. Our community with YouTube is always a lot of fun. So thank you, everyone. And don't forget, let's root for each other. Have a wonderful day.